How to use Walmart gift card in store 2025 method. If you've ever received a Walmart gift card or bought one for yourself, you might think it's just as simple as handing it over at checkout. But in 2025, with updated payment systems, digital integrations, and new self-checkout technology, most people get this wrong and end up frustrated or confused at the register. Today, we're breaking down the complete method to use your Walmart gift card in store step by step, so you can make purchases quickly, avoid errors, and even maximize your card balance. First, let's understand what Walmart gift card really is. It's a prepaid card that can be used anywhere Walmart accepts payment. That includes Walmart stores, Walmart gas stations, and even certain online purchases. These cards are designed to be flexible, but they are also tied to specific activation and verification processes that can affect how you use them in 2025. Now, here's the surprising truth Many people try to swipe their card like a traditional debit card and think it will automatically deduct the amount. But Walmart gift cards are preloaded with a balance and the register or self-checkout must recognize the card before completing the purchase. That's where many users run into problems if the card isn't activated or if there's a technical glitch. So, let's start from the top. Step 1 Activation When you purchase a Walmart gift card at the store, it must be activated by the cashier This is automatic at the point of sale, but if you received a card as a gift, it may already be activated. To be safe, check the balance online or call the number on the back of the card before heading to the store. This prevents surprises when the cashier swipes it and it shows zero balance. Step 2 is choosing how you want to pay Walmart now offers multiple ways to use gift cards in store. 1. Physical gift card at checkout swipe or scan the barcode. 2. Digital gift card in the Walmart app scan from your smartphone. 3. Combine with another payment method split tender if your purchase exceeds the gift card balance. Most people overlook the split tender option. For example, if your gift card has $50 and your purchase is $70, you can pay $50 with the gift card and $20 with cash, debit, or credit. This is essential knowledge because if you try to use the gift card alone, the register will decline the transaction. Step 3 is using self-checkout In 2025, Walmart has rolled out enhanced self-checkout lanes with barcode scanners that read both physical and digital gift cards. Here's the method. Scan each item as usual when prompted for payment. Select gift card scan the barcode on the back of your card or on your app. The system will display your remaining balance if your purchase exceeds the balance. Select an additional payment method for the remaining amount. Many users get confused here because the system may prompt for PIN or last 4 digits of the card which is a verification step. This is normal, and entering the required information ensures the card is valid and reduces the risk of declined transactions. Step 4 is maximizing your gift card use Here's a little hack. If your card balance is low, try to combine it with discounts or rollback prices Walmart automatically deducts the card balance before taxes, so you can save more effectively. Also, check if your card qualifies for use at Walmart pharmacies or vision centers because some gift cards can be used for services, not just merchandise. Step 5 is tracking your balance After each purchase, keep an eye on your remaining balance. You can check on the back of the card by calling the toll-free number. Check online at walmart.com. Use the Walmart app for digital balances. Tracking is crucial because Walmart gift cards do not earn interest and cannot be reloaded unless specified If you lose track, you might inadvertently leave unused funds. Step 6 is common troubleshooting tips Sometimes the card might not work due to unactivated card verify before heading to the store incorrect scanning ensure barcode is clean and flat balance mismatch If the system shows less than your expected balance, call customer service immediately. The good news is Walmart's customer service can usually resolve these issues within minutes. Most problems occur when users assume the card works like a debit card without proper activation. Another pro tip: using digital gift cards in the Walmart app. In 2025, this is becoming more popular because you can store multiple cards, track balances, and even split payment automatically. Here's how. Open the Walmart app, tap the gift card section, enter your card number and PIN if not already added at checkout. Select Pay with Gift Card and scan the QR code at the register. This method is often faster than using a physical card, especially if your wallet is full. Plus, digital cards reduce the risk of loss or theft. Step 7 is combining gift cards with Walmart Pay. Walmart Pay is a mobile payment option that lets you link gift cards alongside debit or credit cards. Simply select Walmart Pay at checkout, choose your gift card, and the payment is processed instantly. Many users don't realize that Walmart Pay supports split payments which is perfect if your card doesn't cover the full purchase. Step 8 is using gift cards strategically. Walmart gift cards are not just for occasional shopping. You can stock up on everyday essentials, pay for bulk items at Sam's Club affiliated locations, if accepted, used during sales or promotional events to maximize discounts, combined with cashback apps or reward programs for extra savings. For example, if you have a $100 gift card and Walmart is running a rollback on a $90 item, your card can cover the purchase completely, leaving $10 for another item. Timing your gift card usage with weekly savings events. Can stretch your funds further. Step 9 is avoiding common mistakes. Don't wait until your card is empty to check the balance. Always know your remaining funds. Don't assume every service or location accepts gift cards. Some third-party vendors in Walmart may not accept them. Don't forget to scan the barcode fully. Partial scans can result in errors or declines. Finally, let's discuss security and safety. Walmart gift cards are like cash so treat them carefully. If lost or stolen, you may need the original purchase receipt to recover the balance. Using the Walmart app or digital version adds a layer of security since the card is tied to your account. To summarize the 2025 method for using a Walmart gift card in store: 1. Activate and verify your card balance before shopping. 2. Choose your payment method: physical, digital, or split tender. 3. Scan items and apply gift card at checkout or self-checkout. 4. Enter PIN or last 4 digits if prompted. 5. Track remaining balance after each purchase. 6. Troubleshoot issues immediately with customer service. 7. Use Walmart Pay or the app for faster, secure transactions. 8. Strategically time purchases with discounts and sales. 9. Protect your card and treat it like cash. When used correctly, Walmart gift cards are incredibly versatile, convenient, and easy to manage in 2025.